Hey everyone, this is the HP ZBook Ultra G1a 14, a small but mighty workstation. Let's walk through how to open it up. The bottom cover is held in place by just 4 Phillips head screws. Once they're out, use a lever tool to pop the back cover step by step. Once that section is loose, the rest of the panel should follow easily. Since the back clips are longer and sit deeper in the chassis, slide the plate toward the rear so you don't snap the front clips. Here's how the plate looks on the inside. I've got to say, I'm impressed by how beefy the cooling is for such a compact machine. Let's check the 4-cell 74.5 watt-hour battery. 3 screws at the top secure it, but first we need to unplug the battery. Give the 2 small feet on the sides a push, or just gently pull the plug while holding the wires. With that done, take out the screws and slide the battery forward. Note that the right screw is shared with the cooling system too. The battery life is decent, 6 hours and 40 minutes of 4K YouTube video playback. Not bad, considering that 1800p OLED touchscreen and the mighty AMD APU under the hood. The Wi-Fi 7 card on the left is soldered. Peel back the black tape that connects the thermal system to the metal cap over the SSD. Hold the rubber handle on the left and gently lift the plate, which also houses a thermal pad on the inside. The single M.2 slot fits 2280 Gen 4 SSDs. The RAM is solid, but you can spec this machine with up to 128 gigabytes of LPDDR5X, 8000 memory, which is plenty. Now let's take a look at the massive vapor chamber solution. It sports 2 sizable fans, a large midsection, and 2 heat sinks on top. Removing it isn't too complicated. As usual, start by disconnecting the fans, then undo the pair of screws around each housing. Untangle the Wi-Fi antenna cables on the left. The fans can be removed separately. The last important step is to undo the 3 screws at the center. Carefully pry the system up with a lever tool. Take your time and don't rush. Personally, I found the sweet spot to be the bottom right of the main section. Here's how the vapor chamber cooling looks when it's flipped. The memory chips in the VRM are treated with cooling pads. Good job, HP. Looks nice. Check out our full review at techpowerup.com.